everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sonali Bhardwaj. Today I'm going to show you how you can straighten your hair at home. So let's get started. First, detangle your hair. Divide your hair into two sections. Pin one section and start working on other. Take thin and horizontal sections. Always work in sections, this will give you best result. Do not over flatten your hair like 4 to 5 times. Because I have more frizz at the roots, I am going to swipe my flat iron around 2 to 3 times and for the bottom at least 2 times. With this trick, straightening will stay for 2 to 3 days or until you are washing your hair. So you can see the final result. If you like my my video, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also follow me on Instagram. The link to my Insta ID is given below in the description box. See you guys in my next video. Bye.